October is a season of change. You can look outside and you see the leaves turning, the leaves falling, different colors. Maybe it's raining, maybe it's snowing, maybe it's sunny, maybe it's warm. It's all of those things. And as you see outside, maybe you're noticing within there's many changes unfolding. Maybe you notice there's calm and there's excitement. There's stillness. There's disruption. Maybe there's some changes that are going on within and around you. And can you breathe? Can you breathe with these changes? This is a season of change. It's also a season of connection. Connection back to yourself. Connection back to your heart, your soul, your spirit, and your departed loved ones in the spirit side of life. There's turbulence, yet there's connection. There's change, and there's everlasting love within you, within that depth of your soul that is unchanging. That part of you that is uniquely you, that is connected to everything, that is loved beyond measure. This physical life is constantly changing, constantly moving. Nothing is staying the same. Sometimes controlling it gets exhausting. Giving yourself permission to notice, to surrender to this change, and take heartfelt action. Allow your heart to be your true north through these uncharted seas you're moving through. Allowing your heart's light to illuminate where you need to go. Breathing in and breathing out, knowing very well, deep down, you can get through this. You truly are not alone. Everyone around you is in the same boat. Everyone around you is navigating their own seas. We are alone, yet together. We are this divided oneness in the sea of connectedness. Coming back home, we can notice this physical life, all that's so unpredictable, all the colors of life in this physical world. And we can also notice our soul and our spirit. We can bring all of our attention here to our soul and our spirit and that love that's loving us into life, eternal life, while perceiving this temporary physical life. Noticing around you these changes, but can you also notice the beauty? Can you also notice the miracles around you? The true loving spirit within the hearts of strangers. Can you also notice nature, its beauty, its generosity, its resilience? Can you also notice your nature, its beauty, its resilience? And let's breathe in together. Breathing into your heart in this physical body. And breathing out, noticing your beating heart. Breathing in, noticing who or what is beating your heart. And breathing out, allowing that love that's beating your heart to love you, and for you to be that love in action.